Hello everybody, it is Shifudon, and with this being a online course, probably many of you will be doing your practice in the house, so it only makes sense for me to do some of the videos for you in the house, and then occasionally we'll do some outside. In the last video we talked about the tiger stance. In this video we are going to be talking about the rooster stance. This is the golden rooster stands on one leg. Okay, so again, our feet are in the ready position, and we're going to go ahead and sink our weight down into our left leg, and we are going to bring the right leg up into this position here. And then back down to the V, sinking into the right leg, and then bringing the left leg up. And then I'll turn to the side for a side view, and sinking into the right, and lifting the left, and sinking left, and lifting the right. And back to the V. Now, this is a good practice for you, especially if you're struggling with balance. So this one in particular you should practice quite often. It does help increase your balance. Again, this is called the rooster stance. In a form you may see a name of a movement called golden rooster stands on one leg. So that's the position that you'll be going into. Okay? Very quick video for you on golden rooster stands on one leg or the rooster stance. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and have yourself a blessed day.